Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some favourite products of mine. So they can be beauty related, they might be beauty related, there'll be other things related. So I'm just going to show you everything that I'm loving at the moment. So the first product that I want to show you guys is this Olay Beauty Liquid Fluid. If you guys are new to my channel, then you won't know that this is my favourite moisturiser ever. It's so good, so moisturising, it's really good for anti-aging. Next product is these donuts that I was sent by iHeartRevolution. So I was actually sent these in a PR package and they're so flipping cute. I've got another one but I don't know if I can hold them all, but there's like another two. So I've got the blueberry crush, the raspberry icing and the chocolate dipped. The other ones are maple glazed and strawberry sprinkles. So these are the three that I got. They're really squidgy and they're so cute, the little makeup palettes. I will show you one. So when you open the little palette, you get this cute little makeup eyeshadow palette. How cute, with a little mirror. Love it. Love them. So imaginative. Absolutely love iHeartRevolution. Could not recommend them enough. So next beauty product that I want to share with you guys are lip liners. This one is very nude. The other one I've got of this lip liner of the same make is called Rust. There's one called Rust, there's one called Very Nude, and then there's one called Champagne. Rust is somewhere in the bathroom. But basically these exact same lip liners like this, and they're so good, they're so buttery, they're so pretty. They are such good lip liners, and you guys have said how much you love them, and you've actually gone out and bought them. Next product is some Gerard Cosmetics products. So these are stuff that I've been sent recently in a PR package. So this is the Slay All Day setting spray in rose, and then I've got one here that they sent me in watermelon as well. They're so good. They set everything in place. They're such a fine mist and they're just an amazing product all round. And if you want, you can get 30% off using my code. It's Melissa30. I'll put it on the screen now. Next product is some hair products. Now, I have very dry ends and oily roots. I've always had oily roots and dry ends. So, I've actually been told by my hairdresser that my hair is in a lot better condition since I've been using these. And this shampoo is the L'Oreal Elvive Extraordinary Clay. And this is the shampoo. I do use the conditioner as well. I have got it as well. But lately, I've been using this conditioner, which is the Argan Oil Conditioner. And this is by, I think I got this in like the Pound Shop or something. But it's so good and it's so good for your hair. It makes it so smooth and just amazing. So I love this so much. So they're the products I've been using on my hair lately. Some more beauty products. So I was actually sent some brushes over by Pixie in a PR package. And you actually get three brushes. So these are the three brushes. You've got a blending one, kind of one that you can pack some shimmer on, and then you've got a very, very small thin one as well. And I absolutely love them. They're so cute, and I love this little box that was sent over as well. And then they sent me over these palettes as well. This one is Reflex Light and this one is Natural Beauty, and I just thought they were so pretty. It's actually what I've got on right now. I've got this like shimmery copper look, but these are the palettes that they sent over. Another beauty product is this nail varnish. This is actually a matte nail varnish that I've got on, and I thought it was really cool. I actually got this from eBay, and it's by a brand called Manhattan, and it's the Matte Effect nail polish, and it's like this little pink colour. I'm obsessed with matte nails at the moment. I think they're really pretty, and I just want to give my nails a break from all of that acrylic and extensions and stuff. Next product is my absolute fave. This is my stippling brush by a brand called B in Superdrug. It was just in a packet in Superdrug and I picked it up. It's such a good stippling brush. It blends everything in so nicely. It's amazing. I love how thick it is. You guys are always asking me where this is from. This is from Superdrug. I will try and link it down below if they've still got it. And then some lip liners and lipsticks from Gerard Cosmetics. So these were sent over in a PR package as well. This is called Sugar and Spices lip liner, but look how posh it looks. Look how pretty and premium it looks. This is the one I've got on right now, and I love it. And then the lipsticks are $19.95 and Everything Nice, and I've actually got $19.95 on this darker one here. They don't look that much different on camera, but they are very different. But this is the one I've got on. and I love it. It's so good. So buttery, so creamy, and if you want 30% off of these, use my code Melissa30. Next product is just something that I have in my bag, and it's just something I picked up in Superdrug. This is the Seduce spray. It actually smells amazing. I love it, and it was like 70 pence or something. And then another brush that I've got is brand new to me, but I do want to share it in this video. This is by Synergy Collections, and this brush is so fluffy and perfect. It's like a proper big fan brush, and I always thought fan brushes were like highlighter, but I've been using this for contour lately and I love it so much. I will try and link this down below for you guys as well. Some palettes to go through. This one is by I Heart Revolution. You guys know I love I Heart Revolution. This is called the Galactic palette, and oh my goodness, they're so pretty. Look at these colours. I've actually done a video using this palette, so if you are interested in that, I will link that down below for you guys as well. But oh, look at it. It's just gorgeous. It's like a chocolate dripped effect. It's so pretty. And then some other palettes. No, one more palette I've got is this one by Imagination and Lottie London, and they've done this highlighter palette, and as you can probably tell, I'm obsessed with this colour, which is Hun. It's so, no, Sugar. This is so pretty. I love this so much. It's like a cream highlighter. They're so beautiful. Love them so much. And then two last products are things that are relatively new. This purse is actually by River Island, and I really love it. It's just me. It's like a pink with a grey around it, and I just love it. It's got this flipper thing. It's got this little clip, and you open it and then you've got everything in there. It's just amazing. It's so pretty, and I love the whole nude blush pink kind of effect. And then the last thing I want to show you guys is this bag. Now this bag is so minimal and basic. So I always wanted a bag with a big shoulder strap, like the body strap like this. I like this big write-in effect. I love it. So this is the bag that I got, and it's just got a zipper on it. It's quite small, so you can just about get my phone and my purse in there, and that's about, and maybe a setting spray or a lip liner. And then this is the strap that it comes with. So you've got a black side, and then you've got a pink side. I love it. I think it looks so good. And you can turn it around. If you've got black on, you can wear like the pink. If you've got white on, you can wear like the black. It's so lovely, and I love it. It's so minimal as well. So this is my favourite bag at the moment. It's brand new as well. I got it off of Depop. So the last and final product that I completely forgot, but I have to share with you guys, is actually something that I've wanted to try for a long time, and I just never got around to doing it. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil. I have always been obsessed with Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'll show you guys. I've always been obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, sorry. This one here. Because I've just loved the pencil, how kind of small it is and fine. But I'm sorry, I have converted to Benefit. This product is unbelievable. It just makes my brows look exactly how I want them to look. It's a dark colour. Mine's in the shade number 4. It's amazing. It's such a cute little thing as well. Like, it looks like an arrow. I love it. It's awesome. But this is the pencil. Look how fine that pencil is. It's amazing. It literally allows you to get fine lines so you can get your gradient effect. Look how fine that is. It's amazing. And then on the other side, you have got a spoolie. This product is the best product ever. I really wish I had a code for you guys, but I don't, but I will link it down below for you. So yeah, they're all the products that I've been loving lately. I've got loads more that I do want to show you, but maybe in another video because we've got too much. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe if you did, and like this video, and follow me on Insta, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!